Look at this. That's a lot of people, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Shaking all over. I got the shivers in my knee bones. Shaking all over. Wheels down my backbone. All right, come on. All right, I say yeah.
Imagine all the people living for today. Oh, oh. Imagine there's no country. It isn't hard to do.
There were these people that lived behind me in Cameron. They lived a couple of streets over. They had a whole poodle in the yard, in the grass growing up around it and everything.
Oh,
It
really?
was a beautiful, original purple paint color, like it was and they weren't doing anything with it. And they said if they were going to sell it, they would have sold it for like $5,000. It was all in original condition.
Really?
But they were letting the grass grow up around it, and they were just leaving it there. It was going to wreck it, right? Of course.
They got red swans hanging from a big old tree. Down in Mississippi, down in New Orleans. I said, hey, 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 yeah. 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 All right, down the Mississippi. Oh, on with the show, okay. Well, you know, we're glad to be here, ladies and gentlemen. We want to thank Sheriff Sam Whitnick for getting us across the border. We appreciate that, Sam.
Thanks, Sheriff.
And he's the warden, by the way, at Joliet, just so you know. Yeah, we're going to do a heck of a show. We're going to tell you a little bit about the movie. And what kind of songs are we going to sing, Jake?
We're going to do a little jazz. We're going to do a little blues. Even a little country.
And rock and roll, too. You like rock and roll, too, I hear. We're going to do one from the movie. Hey, Jake.
Hey, what?
You still got that used keyboard you bought from Ray's Music Exchange?
in the white keys. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah, that Ray, he threw in the black keys for free. You know that, don't you? Some of you know that, yeah.
What a guy.
And we still owe Ray a whole lot of money for all that musical equipment.
We're not going there. Let's just sing and jam.
You saw the movie, you know who we're talking about. If you didn't, who are we talking about?
Rachel.
Here's the story about beneath the moonshine. She was a low-down hoochie coochie. She went honey, 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 heedy, 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 honey, 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 ho.
Off the sidewalk here, I think.
Back window there, you can write the whole damn thing off. You can have a whole lot of fun and let the government pay for it. 28 of a dime down to the bit, 28 of a dime down to the boat, 28 of a dime, we all done. At 28 of a dime down to the bit, 28 of a dime.
Well, if I had money, I'd tell you what to do. Go downtown by Mercury, just crazy about Mercury. Just crazy about Mercury. I wanna buy me a Mercury and cruise it up and down.